How to fix if your iPhone is not ringing for the incoming calls. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix if your iPhone is not ringing for any incoming call. So let's get started. The first thing that you need to do is you can simply open the menu over here and you'll be able to see this option that says do not disturb. Right now, you can see it is turned on. So what you're going to do is simply click on it to turn it off. If the do not disturb mode is on, then you will not receive any calls. The next fix is that you can simply head over to settings and you're going to click on sound and haptics. Once you do so, you'll be able to see this option over here that is ringer and alerts. So if this bar is over here, you will not get any call. That means your phone will not make any sound or it will not ring whenever someone calls you. So you got to make sure it is on full. And if it doesn't solve your problem, you can simply toggle the button that is on the left side of your phone right above the volume up button. So if you're using the newer model of iPhone that is 15 or greater, you'll be able to see a single button. You're going to simply long press on that in order to change your phone to ring mode. And if you're using the model lower than that, you're going to simply toggle it. There'll be a switch button. You're going to switch it on. So that is basically how you can fix if your iPhone is not ringing for incoming calls. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.